Hi you guys, it's Ruby from Oofy Scraps and I am back with another December daily layout. I feel like I've opened every single December daily layout like that. I hope it's not getting redundant. But today we are working on story 21. And today's story is all about hot cocoa. So I did tell a story about hot cocoa last year, and I think it's a very December winter holiday type thing. So I wanted to document it again this year. Last year I got these super cute snowman shaped hot cocoa bombs from Trader Joe's. And this year I ordered some from a family friend actually who made them. So they were heart shaped hard chocolate shells filled with cocoa, and actually I got a couple hot chocolate ones. I got a matcha one and I got a chai tea one. So it was super fun, and I had the matcha and the chai tea by myself like in the morning, just randomly on December mornings. But the hot cocoa ones I shared with my boyfriend and my little brother. So this is like a photo from above of the counter with the three mugs, and there's just like three random different mugs. And I used Canva and some red font, like some red text to write Stevie. My boyfriend's name is Steven, and I call him Stevie. Mine, and then D'Angelo, which is my little brother's name. So I put that on each of our coordinating cups. I thought that was just cute to just kind of share the story that it was not just me by myself, it was me and my boyfriend and my brother. So it was a fun little story and super simple, but I let the photo kind of do the talking. I don't think I added any journaling. So it was fun to just kind of use that subtle touch of digital to give the rest of the story. But yeah, so now I'm trying to pick out the numbers I'm using, I think. I wanted to use these gold. Oh, I'm writing this the title with letter stickers. So I spell out Cocoa Bombs. So I used bombs with this red glittery alpha. I had a little trouble trying to find alphas that had enough of the letters I needed because I wanted to spell cocoa, so I needed two C's, two O's, and then bombs, I needed two B's, I needed another O. So anyways, I spelled bombs in all caps because that's what I had for the red glitter numbers or letters. And I spelled cocoa out with another alpha set. But these are red glittery foam alphas from Hobby Lobby, and I love them. They're like a fun scripty font that's still super legible, and they're super, super glittery. I love like red foil and red glitter. I think it's super beautiful. So then I'm looking for an alphabet font to use for the cocoa. And I settle with these really cute, smaller rainbow alpha stickers that are actually from Target. So Target low-key has really good alphabet stickers. Some of them are not that sticky. These ones are pretty good. And they're rainbow, which I know some people hate. But it's pretty fun if you're doing like a multicolored layout. And coincidentally, the C's, the O's, and the A's happen to be different shades of red and green. So it was pretty perfect. And then I've been saving these hot cocoa stickers from Hobby Lobby, and I also have a puffy sticker from Simple Stories that I've been waiting to use just for this layout, so I'm excited that I actually got to use them. And okay, I was gonna say I put down 20, but I don't think this is story 20. This is story 21, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, okay, I'm using those clear, like transparent alphas, or not alpha, number, not stickers, number transparencies from Ali Edwards 2019 collection. I love these. I've used them a ton. So I just stapled that on underneath the like layers of the photo and the backing papers. And that is how I do my number. And then I will add, there's a little puffy hot cocoa. It's so cute. I've been saving it. And I actually like, look how many of those puffy stickers I used. I'm pretty proud of myself. I bought those this year and I used, I'd say like 90% of them. And then I recently got these enamel dots. Amy Gretchen was doing some destashing, and she basically was like, pay for shipping and I'll send you whatever you guys want from my destash. So I got some goodies from her, including these enamel dots. I don't normally buy them, but these were fun colors. So it was kind of like a hot pink and a light pink, and then there was also green and like lime green. But I used the kind of hot pink, it almost looks red, to add some pizzazz. And I wanted to do 3 embellishment clusters just because 3 is like a nice number, looks good. And I wanted to use 3 hot cocoa stickers because we had 3 cups of hot cocoa. So I'm pulling out one of my embellishment boxes to grab some washi tape, and I will put like a cluster of washi on the top, yeah, on the top left of the photo. So I use that red stripe, and then I use a ho 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 little washi tape. I don't know if I use anything else. Maybe a gold. Oh yeah, I think I used the last of my gold washi tape. I could be wrong though. We'll see. We'll watch together and find out. But there's the ho ho ho. Those are both from Michaels, those little washi tapes. Oh, and I don't use the gold. So I use this little snowman. So this is a little like snowman, snowflake, super thin washi tape that's also from Michaels. But this came in a pack. Those other ones came in like a giant bulk bin. You could just grab whichever ones you liked. Anyways, there's my little cluster. It's kind of a good, I love like multiple washi tapes layered on top of each other to create like a foundation for a cluster. So I move my little mini puffy hot cocoa cup up there because it's kind of a smaller area, so it makes more sense. And then I'm going to take my other hot cocoa cup from the Hobby Lobby sticker sheet and move it to the 21, and then I'll re-stick down my little enamel dots. Then I'll add enamel dots to the new hot cocoa cluster on the top left. And yeah, it's looking good. I really like the way this one turned out. Also, how cute is my background paper? I didn't even talk about it. I was talking over the process when we did that part. But it's little gnomes. As you guys know, I've talked about a bunch. My mom loves gnomes for the holidays. Our entire house is gnome themed, decorated for Christmas and Hanukkah. So I saw this paper and had to have it. It's like these little skinny, teeny tiny gnomes dancing all around on a blue background. So I thought it was super cute. And then I'm adding, oh, okay, so this page I thought was going to be on the right side of my album. So I poked the holes in it or punched the holes in it. And then I realized it was going to be on the back of a different layout. So I used that heart puffy sticker and one of the enamel dots to cover up those holes. And then I decided I wanted some more little like sprinkly things. So I'm using my red ColourPop, like they're basically like Nuvo drops, but it's just a different, I think it's scrapbook.com's brand. And I just pipe little red hearts, which was super cute and really easy, and I think added a lot because it's not the normal like enamel dot circle shape. So yeah, I'm trying to use a lot more of my mixed media products this year, including stamping, my distress sprays, and those little pop of color things. But yeah, that is all for this story. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.